So the big question is, one, were you injured at work in the course and scope of your work? And two, does your company have workers' compensation insurance? If they do not have workers' comp through the state of Texas, then what you actually, or if they do have workers' comp through the state of Texas, what you need is actually a workers' compensation attorney to make sure that your interests are protected as you navigate that process for your injuries and your time off from work and possible disability. If your company has insurance, but it's non-workers' compensation insurance, or if they don't have insurance in general, you want a personal injury attorney, actually. And Leo can talk a little bit more about that as to the ins and outs of that. So I'll hand it over to him. But essentially, you need to know, did your company have workers' compensation insurance or did they not? Because that really makes a difference as to what kind of attorney you actually need if you've been injured in the workplace.
And the easiest way to confirm if your company had workers' compensation or it didn't on the day you were injured, there's a website through the state of Texas. If you just put in workers' compensation Texas verification or something similar to that search term, you should be able to find it as the first result. You can actually put in the company name, the date that the work accident happened, and it will tell you, lawyer, if your company was not a subscriber to workers' compensation on the day you got injured. We call that a non-subscriber. You need a personal injury lawyer, and we would be more than happy to talk to you about your situation and possible legal options in that scenario. If you're not sure if your company was a subscriber to workers' compensation or not at the time you got injured, please feel free to give us a call or contact us online, and we'll be happy to schedule a free and confidential consultation to discuss your specific situation with you in more detail. Other key issues, sometimes people are not sure what actual company they were working for. For example, if somebody was getting a paycheck from company A, but company A lent that employee out to company B to work on a project, or company A was a temporary staffing company that then sent people out to the site, or something along those lines. Basically, any situation involving possible multiple employers. Generally, if any of the employers were subscribers to workers' compensation, you need a workers' compensation lawyer, not a personal injury lawyer. But that being said, the details and the nuances of this can get pretty tricky pretty quickly. So the easiest thing to do if you've been injured at work and you're not sure where to begin, you can't figure out, did we have workers' compensation? Did we not? Please feel free to give us a call or contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your specific situation with you and answer any questions you may have and point you in the right direction and let you know whether we think you have a personal injury case or you need a workers' compensation